Okay, I'm redoing this video because people say you can't see what I'm doing, and I agree with that. This is for the latch that's common to break. The hold down here on the 7.3 air filter, they break and they won't hold any longer, and your air filter is loose and won't seal. So I found a real quick, easy fix for it. Just remove the battery cover so I get a straight shot. Take the Milwaukee M12 1/4" drive ratchet. I just use a short, like a 1/2 inch screw that goes in there, and I'll just run it in. Now with this on there, it gives a lip so the latch, it has something that'll hold it. It'll keep it there, so I'll show you here on the latch. Now it has a place to catch on. It'll stay fastened. The only thing is, if you have a stock air filter, the pleats will fit in between there. It's no big deal at all. But if you're using the K&N, it doesn't fit, so you will have to go back in and trim the excess screw here, but only if you're running the K&N type, not the paper type that has the pleats. It's no problem, just leave that screw on there. So I'll go ahead and cut this one down and call it fixed. Thank you.